አንድ መስጊድ 30 ቤተክርስቲያኖችን አስተማረ።
እዚህ መስጊድ ደውላ ግን ያንን ድምጽ ያሰማቻቸው ያው ልጅ ተርቦብኛ ወተት ፈልጌ ነበር ስትል ኖት ኢቭን ላይክ አልጠየቃትም እምነቷ ምን እንደሆነ ነገር።
አሜሪካ ውስጥ ለሚገኙ ከ20 በላይ ቤተክርስቲያኖች ደወለች ለልጇ ወተት ለመለመን። ነገር ግን አንድ ቦታ ብቻ ነበር እሺ የተባለችው፣ እሱም መስጊድ ነው።
She called more than 20 churches in America begging for baby formula. But only one place said yes. A mosque.
አንድ መስጊድ 30 ቤተክርስቲያኖችን አስተማረ የሚል ዜና ብታነቡ ምንድነው የሚሰማችሁ? እናትየው ይህን ያደርጉልኝ ከሆነ ብላ ጥናት ልታደርግ እንደ ሊፕቶሚን አይነት የህፃናት ቤቢ ፎርሙላ በየቤተክርስቲያኑ እየደወለች ጠየቀች። ያገኘቻቸው ምላሾች ግን መልካም አልነበሩ። ይህ የምግብ ባንክ አይደለም እና መሰል ምላሾችን እያገኘች ተሰናበተች።
I'm struggling with like getting formula. Yeah.
We're not you thinking we're a food bank because we're a church. We don't have that kind of thing.
Oh, okay. I just wanted okay. All right. Thank you.
ቆይ እስኪ ምን አለዋት ብላ ወደ መስጊድ ደወለች። ገና አንደኛው መስጊድ ጋር ደውላ ለልጄ ቤቢ ፎርሙላ ያስፈልገዋል ልትሰጡኝ ትችላላችሁ ወይ ስትል አሁን እንችላለን ምን አይነቱን እናዘጋጅ አሏት።
I wanted to know, can you guys help me with getting baby formula?
Okay, how old is she?
She's 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can come and see Brother Kinan 4:30 today.
Okay. I'm not a Muslim though.
Yeah, that's fine, no worries. So not only for the Muslims.
Okay, so I can still come?
4:30 and seeking and we normally helps for the refugees for the food bank.
Okay.
There might be some sort of assistance for you as well, okay?
Okay. And
እንዴት የሚደንቅ ነገር ነው። እውነት ለመናገር ያው እሷ ጥናት ለማድረግ በሚል አደረገችው እንጂ የእውነት አስፈልጓት ቢሆን ደግሞ መስጊድ ድረስ ራሱ መሄድ አይጠበቅባት። እንዲህ ላሉ ነገሮች ሙስሊም ጎረቤቶቿ ራሱ በቂ ናቸው። ለዚህ ምስክር የሚሆኑ በርካታ ሰዎች ይኖራሉ ብዬ አስባለሁ። ይቅርታ ግን ሙስሊም አይደለሁም አለቻቸው።
Okay, I'm not a Muslim though.
Yeah, that's fine, no worries. So not only for the Muslims.
Okay, so I can still come?
4:30 and seeking and we normally helps for the refugees for the food bank.
Okay.
There might be some sort of assistance for you as well, okay?
Okay. And
እነሱ ምን አሉ? it doesn't matter. ምንም አይነት ችግር የለውም no problem ብለው አስተናገዱት። ጥናት እያደረገች እንደሆነ ነገረቻቸው፣ አመሰገነች። ትዝ ይለኛል የሆነ ጥናት ተሰራና በኮሮና ጊዜ በርካታ ቤተክርስቲያኖች ዝግ ሲሆኑ ተከፍተው የታዩት መስጊዶች ነበሩ።
ኒኮሊ ትባላለች። አሜሪካ ውስጥ ሶሻል ኤክስፐሪመንት ወይም ጥናት ለማድረግ ሁላችንም የምናውቀውን አረጋግጣልናለች እያሉ ይገኛሉ።
TikToker just proved what a lot of us already knew.
የሰራችው ቪዲዮ ዓለም ላይ መነጋገሪያ አድርጓታል። ብዙ እናቶች አባቶችን አስለቅሷል።
She calls a mosque and they say yes right away and they're so nice. Ishmael, we're cousins. Okay? They will feed you. They will help you. And guess what? They're not going to ask you for money. You don't have to read the Quran. You don't have to pray. You don't even have to walk in their building where they pray. Okay? They always have a separate area, usually with food.
In second, like no hesitation whatsoever. That man said, "Where are you? And what formula does your baby use? And we will get it to you."
ኒኮሊ የሰራችው ጥናት ብቻዋን ልጇን የምታሳድግ የተቸገረች እናት በመሆን ለልጇ ወተት እንደሌላት ገልጻ ቤቢ ፎርሙላ ወተት እንዲረዷት ወይንም እንዲሰጧት የምታለቅስ ሕፃን ድምጽ በሞባይል ከጀርባ በመክፈት እያሰማች ከ20 በላይ እስከ 26 የሚደርሱ ቤተክርስቲያኖች ጋር እየደወለች መለመኗን ጀመረች። ለልጇ የምትሰጣት ወተት እንደሌላትና ልጇ በረሃብ እንዳትሞትባት እንዲረዷት በመማጸን ነገር ግን ከ26 ቤተክርስቲያን ከደወለችላቸው ውስጥ 23ቱ የለም ሲሉ፣ የተወሰኑት ይቅርታ ሲጠይቁ፣ የተወሰኑት ስልክ ሲዘጉ፣ ሌሎች ደግሞ እሱም ማድረግ አንችልም፣ ሌሎች ደግሞ ለአባል ብቻ ነው የምንረዳው ሲሉ 3 ብቻ እርዳታ አቀርበዋል።
Help with formula at all? Have you talked to anybody like at CCC?
Yeah, I've been calling everywhere all day.
Oh, okay. We are a small church, and as a result, we have limited funds, and so we tend to help those that are part of the church or come to the church. We're going to be there.
Because there's people that are right around you, local.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Bye. We really don't have an estimated time just because we do receive a lot of requests here. Each applicant is different. It could take a couple of days. It could take a couple of weeks. We really just don't have a time frame there.
Okay. You said it would take a couple of days to weeks?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, if approved. Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
But we don't have formula or anything like that.
Okay.
I'm really sorry. That's all we have right now.
I hasn't ate all day, and I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, I'm not sure because we don't have cash here.
Okay. Well, and we don't have anything either. So I'm sorry. I wish I had something to offer you.
I understand, but the only food items that we have in the food pantry are non-perishables, but I don't believe they have anything there for infants.
No, I just need the formula. I have a 2-month-old, and she ran out last night, so she's went all night and all day without formula.
Yeah, we don't have any formula here for now, baby. No, we have a kitchen, but we don't have milk.
Okay. Is there any way y'all could just get a can and I could pick it up?
No, I don't know. We don't have time to do that because we don't.
They might be able to assist. They have more resources than we do.
Okay.
Let me get in touch with the ladies at the way station and see. They might
night and all day without anything to eat.
We don't have any formula around, darling. I'm sorry. None. No diapers, anything for babies. We don't have any.
Could that be something you all could get and I could just pick it up?
No, we can't right now. I'm sorry.
Okay.
ነገር ግን ከብዙ ድካም በኋላ ኒኮሊ አንድ ሐሳብ መጣላት፣ ወደ መስጂድ መደወል። የመጀመሪያው መስጂድ ጋር ደወለች። ስልኩን ያነሳው ሰው የመጀመሪያው ቃሉ የት ነው ያለሽው? ምን አይነት ወተት ነው የምትፈልጊው? ልንሰጥሽ እንችላለን። የት እናምጣልሽ ነበር። ወሬ ጥያቄ ሳያበዙ ወደ እርዳታው ነበር የገቡት። ትክክለኛ የእምነት ፈተና ነበር።
She could care less. Hey, this is the Islamic Center that was calling back in. So, hold on. Let's go for it. They called me back. The Islamic Center of Charlotte just called back. Make him a baby.
Islamic Center of Charlotte, overlooking.
Hi, yes. I was trying to call. I have a 2-month-old baby, and I ran out of formula last night, and I was wanting to see if there's any way you all could help with a can of baby formula.
We can, ma'am. Where do you live? Do you live in Charlotte?
መጀመሪያው
Yes, I'm like
የት
10
ነው
minutes
ያለሽው?
from you all.
ምን አይነት ወተት ነው የምትፈልጊው? ልንሰጥሽ እንችላለን።
It's the Good Start.
Good Start. Yeah, that's fine, ma'am. If you come over here, we'll help you.
Okay, hold on just 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm actually doing a social experiment. So I don't have a baby and I don't have a need, but I am doing a social experiment just to see which churches would actually help a starving baby. And unfortunately, there's so many
በሚገርም
that
ሁኔታ
say no.
ሁሉም
And
ማለት
you
ይቻላል የለም ነበር ያሉኝ።
was like,
እናንተ
yes, of
ደግሞ
course.
ወዲያው
And I
እሺ
just wanted to
ችግር
say
የለውም
thank you so
አላችሁኝ።
much,
እናም
for
በጣም
your
አመሰግናለሁ ማለት
And also
እወዳለሁ።
to see
ለመልካም
if it was
ልባችሁ
okay if I posted this
አመሰግናለሁ።
on TikTok and maybe put your information on there for your church where people can send donations. Maybe if they...
Yeah, no problem, ma'am. We do what we can. We appreciate your kind words. Thank you.
No, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Keep doing what you're doing. Thanks. You too. Bye. Oh, he instantly! He didn't like the only question that he asked was, where are you located at and what kind do you want? No other question.
ኒኮሊ ሶሻል ኤክስፐሪመንት ማህበራዊ ሙከራ ጥናት ያደረገችበት መንገድ የሚሊዮኖችን ልብ የሳበ ስሜታዊ ጉዳይ ነበር። ወደ መስጊድ ስትደውል ግን ጥያቄ የለም፣ ማመንታት የለም። የት እንዳለሽ ጠየቋት፣ ራሳቸው እንደሚያደርሱላትም ነገሯት። ይህ ቪዲዮ የሚሊዮኖችን ልብ እስካሁን እንደነካ ነው። ብዙዎችንም ስለ ጭንቀትና እምነት እያነጋገረ ይገኛል።
ኢቭን ሃይማኖቷ ምን እንደሆነ እንኳን አልጠየቃትም። ያው ልጅቷ የሚያለቅስ ልጅ እያሰማች ልጅ ተርቦብኛልና ወተት ስጥኝ የሚል ሶሻል ኤክስፐሪመንት የሆነ ቪዲዮ ነው የምትሰራው። ብዙ ቦታ ደውላለች። በጣም የሚያስቅ ምላሽ ነው። አንዳንዶቹ ጋር ጭራሽ እዚህ ተቋም አባል ነሽ ወይ? ያው አንድ ሰው የዛ ተቋም አባል ከሆነ መዋጮ አለ ምናምን ነገር ሰው ለመረዳት መጀመሪያ ማዋጣት አላውቅም እንዴት አይነት ሂሳብ እንደሚሰሩ። እዚህ መስጂድ ደውላ ግን ያንን ድምጽ ያሰማቻቸው ያው ልጅ ተርቦብኛል ወተት ፈልጌ ነበር ስትል ኖት ኢቭን ላይክ አልጠየቃትም እምነቷ ምን እንደሆነ ምናምን ነገር። ምን አይነት ወተት ይሆንልሽ ነው የመጀመሪያ ምላሽና ምን ያማረ መልስ ነው። ኢቭን ሃይማኖቷ ምን እንደሆነ እንኳን አልጠየቃትም። ያው ልጅቷ የሚያለቅስ ልጅ እያሰማች ልጅ ተርቦብኛልና ወተት ስጥኝ የሚል ሶሻል ኤክስፐሪመንት የሆነ ቪዲዮ ነው የምትሰራው። ብዙ ቦታ ደውላለች። በጣም የሚያስቅ ምላሽ ነው። አንዳንዶቹ ጋር ጭራሽ እዚህ ተቋም አባል ነሽ ወይ? ያው አንድ ሰው የዛ ተቋም አባል ከሆነ መዋጮ አለ ምናምን ነገር ሰው ለመረዳት መጀመሪያ ማዋጣት አላውቅም እንዴት አይነት ሂሳብ እንደሚሰሩ። እዚህ መስጂድ ደውላ ግን ያንን ድምጽ ያሰማቻቸው ያው ልጅ ተርቦብኛል ወተት ፈልጌ ነበር ስትል ኖት ኢቭን ላይክ አልጠየቃትም እምነቷ ምን እንደሆነ ምናምን ነገር። ምን አይነት ወተት ይሆንልሽ ነው የመጀመሪያ ምላሽና ምን ያማረ መልስ ነው።
Of that woman calling around churches, being told no when she's needing help, because you're gonna find that she calls a mosque and they say yes right away, and they're so nice. And I think I'm getting my period. Oh, but the kindness. Oh, and then they had like a 1-star review when she called, and then a bunch of like there's like 1,000 5-star reviews after that. They had no idea it was like a social experiment. Oh, but they're so nice. And that was really nice.
Dying of hunger. And them churches said, yeah, no, fuck off. She called a mosque. And with no questions asked, in second, like, no hesitation whatsoever, that man said, where are you? And what formula does your baby use? And we will get it to you. Where are you and what formula does your baby need? And she said, I'm 10 minutes away. He said, get here and we'll get it to you. No questions asked. No, well, did you try this? Did you use this resource? How about this? You could sign up for this. And one church said only members of the church. So only members of the church can receive the kindness of good church folk.
There's not a Muslim in the US right now that would not tell you to go to their mosque if you're hungry. There's not one. Not a true Muslim. Because what you're finding out is good too for Christians. So we can work together as cousins. Not enemies. We're cousins. My Islamic friends will understand we're cousins. Ishmael, we're cousins. Okay? They will feed you. They will help you. And guess what? They're not going to ask you for money. You don't have to read the Quran. You don't have to pray. You don't even have to walk in their building where they pray. Okay? They always have a separate area, usually with food. All they may ask is that you, as a mom and children, sit separately. That's a respect thing. They're not holding women back as much as keeping them safe. And you can pray or worship or eat without worrying some weirdos looking at you. Okay? Because they are intelligent enough to know that even in church, like, that's going to happen. Okay? Stop being shocked that you've bought into BS. Okay? Now is not the time to be ignorant anymore. If you are hungry, Don't call your church. Look up a mosque, M-O-S-Q-U-E, in case you cannot spell it or don't know how to spell it, so we're not going to look it up wrong. Call them and tell them you're hungry. Tell them your family size, and if they can't help you at that mosque, they will help find somebody who can help you. They believe in Jesus too. Maybe they follow him a little bit more closely than our churches do. Maybe we can learn from them, because we're not doing the right thing right now. I haven't been to church in 15 years because of that. Because once I found out that they didn't do it like the other religions, I was like, whoa. Maybe we need to go back to the beginning. If you're hungry, go to a mosque.
አንድ ቺካጎ ውስጥ የሚገኝ መስጂድ እንዴት ተባብረው በጎ ፈቃደኞችን ሰብስበው ለተቸገሩ እንዴት እንደሚረዱ ያሳየናል።
They prepared over 8,000 fresh meals and distributed them to the homeless shelters across our city. This is a living example of what the teachings of Islam invite us to be. People who don't just give money, but who give time, effort, compassion, and make their community better. The Quran teaches us and help one another in righteousness and piety, and do not help one another in sin and transgression. And never will you attain righteousness until you spend out of which you love. When we volunteer our time and stand alongside our neighbors who are hungry or homeless, we live out these words.
ሌላው ሁሉንም ሰው ያስገነዘበው ነገር ሰብአዊነት እምነት እንደሌለው ነበር። ሌሎች በሩን በዘጉባት ሰዓት መስጊድ በሩን ከፍቶ ተቀብሏታል። ይህ አጋጣሚ አንዱ የጭንቀት ሁኔታን በመላው ዓለም ላይ የሚገኙ ልቦችን ነክቷል። ምክንያቱም መልካምነት ደረጃ አይፈልግም። መልካም ለመዋል የምንመርጠው ሰው አይኖርም። መልካምነት ለሚፈልግ ሁሉ የሚዋል ነው። እምነትም መደገፊያዎችን አይፈልግም። ሰብአዊነት ደግሞ ሁላችንንም አንድ የሚያደርገን ነገር ነው። ውሸት ምንም ያህል ተራራ ቢያክል፣ እውነት ደግሞ ከተራራው ስር ብትቀበር የጊዜ ጉዳይ ነው እንጂ ተራራው ተንኮታክቶ ሁሉም ወደ እውነት ፊቱን ማዞሩ አይቀርም። እስልምና እምነት ብቻ አይደለም፣ የህይወት መንገድም እንጂ። ወሰላሙ አለይኩም ወራህመቱላሂ ወበረካቱ።